every time we are asking about the witch or something, there was a different kind of a female voice or something that was responding. There was at one point जहाँ पे I think Pooja asked a particular question. I'm forgetting क्या question है. I just hear him laughing. So I tell कि I can hear the voices laughing करके. For what reason? अभी I don't remember right now at this moment, but I'm sure कुछ तो connection था उसका regarding that particular question. So the conversation was very clear and very to the point of what was happening, because at one point Pooja, I remember Pooja asking this question अभी edit के time पे मैं देख रहा था, where she asked this question कि are you and the witch working together?
Working together.
बिकॉज हमको नीचे से ही वो बांध से ही फील हो रहा है कि एक विच तो प्रोटेक्ट कर रही है, तो शी इज अ गुड विच, बट पूजा ऑल्सो सेंस्ड अनदर विच, सो मे बी शी इज द बैड विच. सो द बैड विच एंड बिशप, क्योंकि फीमेल वॉइसेस भी आ रहे हैं हमको बिशप के रूम में, सो मे बी दे वर टुगेदर, मे बी डूइंग समथिंग टुगेदर, एंड वी गॉट अ कंफर्मेशन दैट यस दे वर टुगेदर करके. इन फैक्ट the story that comes out, which no one knows, it's not on the internet, and I'm not sure कौन सा investigator को क्या मिला है. The story that comes out is that the witch was leading every sacrifice and every murder, मतलब religious murder that happened in that house. The bishop was only the supporting act. The main entity of Ramin is not the bishop, it's that particular witch.
जो witches room में आपके estes में मिली.
Probably, or it was the bad one.
Yeah.
और लाइक जो कि शायद इधर मुझे आ रही थी, जो फीमेल वॉइस मुझे.
Not Elizabeth.
Not Elizabeth was the good one.
Because she was protecting.
Yes,
Yeah.
she is protecting. A lot of people also ask कि how did you know कि वो good है bad है. एक तो हमने पूछा are you good or bad, तो good में आया. So people have a very genuine response, had a very genuine response to that, thinking वो video निकल चुका है. By the time we are having this conversation, they're like, how did you know कि वो good है? Maybe she could be lying. So that's when अपना एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कोर्स काम का आता है, 11-12 साल का एक्सपीरियंस. सेकेंडली देयर इज समथिंग वी ऑल हैव गट फीलिंग, यू नो, व्हेन यू मीट अ पर्सन, बट द पर्सन ऊपर से बहुत हंसी खुशी कर रहा है लेकिन अंदर से कमीना है, तो आपको फील तो हो ही जाता है कुछ तो गड़बड़ है उसके अंदर. वी एज सेंसिटिव वी काइंड ऑफ कैच ऑन टू दैट फीलिंग के, एंड दैट हैज हैपेंड बिफोर, दैट एंटिटीज हैव सेड के दे आर गुड, एंड वो गंदे ही निकलते हैं और पकड़ में आ जाते हैं कि भाई साहब तुम कुछ बोल रहे हो, तुम्हारी एनर्जी कुछ दूसरी बोल रही है.
पता चल जाता है.
तो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज क्या कही बिशप ने?
बिशप का मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट वाज द रिवलेशन दैट आई एम नॉट द वन टू बी ब्लेम्ड मेनली, देयर इज समवन एल्स एज वेल हु वाज एक्चुअली लीडिंग. आई वाज जस्ट हेल्पिंग हर आउट बिकॉज आई हैड दिस पावर यहाँ पे. Now, as a witch, he cannot come up front and tell कि I need sacrifices. But as a bishop, he can get people to come to his place for confession, for counseling or something, and the witch can do her part to do something. So that was a big reveal during that moment. And वहाँ पे भी हम नाम पूछ रहे थे, तो उनका नाम पूला करके आया. For some reason, maybe पूला आया, or maybe I misheard as, because I had no idea कि वो नाम पूछ रहे हैं करके. So maybe it was too quick, and sometimes the Scottish accent is very difficult to understand. Even the old English accent is very difficult to understand. Another thing that came, sorry, as I'm telling, मुझे याद आ रहा है, पूजा के एसेस में हुआ था. She as we are asking more about Satan, are you the most evil spirit here, the more demonic here? Pooja says a word, sat you or sat something ऐसा करके she is trying to say. Again, during that moment, I didn't understand कि क्या बोल रही है. Now that I'm editing, I'm like, maybe she was trying to tell Satan.
Oh.
But it went off so quickly
Yeah.
कि तुमको समझ में नहीं
आया समझ.
Satan बोल रहा है वो, because save
Possible.
तो सही है.
Possible.
Similar question was asked जब मैं स्ट्रेस में था कि are you the most evil one or something. I think I did say correct करके or something like that. Like I'm confirming. Yeah, correct. ऐसा करके मैं word बोलता हूँ. So the conversation was very one-to-one, very personal, and very to the point.
And you know, as you are speaking, I just got, जो कि मैं शायद पहली बार शेयर कर रही हूँ, because as you're speaking, I'm getting this, that it was the evil witch was a hidden witch. I'm getting the name hidden witch. Nobody knew she's a witch, but she was a witch. She had kept herself hidden.
Now, yeah.
And she was the evil one जो बिशप को कंट्रोल कर रही थी. So as you speak, I got the word hidden witch.
Yeah. So see, now तो अभी और भी connect हो गया. So it was the bishop, नहीं, it was the witch, and the bishop who are doing everything together. Because see, the one of the many reasons why ancient Ramayana is still very haunted is because of the sacrifices that happened, and it happened in 1 year's period. They have happened over decades. कुछ की तो हड्डियां मिली हैं, लेकिन 900 साल पहले का हड्डियां कहाँ से मिलेगी आपको?
कुछ गल गई होंगी क्या, सो गए हो।
एंड वहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होती है, सब कुछ होता है, सो वेदरिंग इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, वेरी पावरफुल वहाँ पे. सो नो वन एक्चुअली हैज एन आइडिया कि कितने डेथ्स हुए हैं, कितने लोगों को मारा गया है, क्या हुआ है. एडिंग एवरी लेयर 900 years of hauntings, 900 layers of hauntings. And that's why also it was very difficult to help that property in a way. Normally हम जब investigation में जाते हैं, जब last time भी मैं आया था, मैंने बताया था कि the aim is to help out the spirits. But यहाँ पे कैसा है ना, have you seen Pirates of the Caribbean franchise? Do you remember the character Bootstrap? How this pirate who was cursed by Davy Jones, so वो उसके ship में है. So even though he is a good guy, for him, Davy Jones का ship is his home. And even though he is a good person, anyone who goes against the ship, he will attack him. Same has become of the spirits of this house.
And how he has become one with the ship.
One with the ship.
It's like he can't move. वो ship के साथ ही जैसे कि समा गया है. It's something like that. That वो घर की.
Yeah, like Elizabeth is a good spirit. There are other good spirits as well. But it's like it मतलब एक ट्रिप में आप उनकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाओगे, पहला चीज. सेकेंडली यू नीड टू डू लॉट ऑफ metaphysical cleansings, like smudging karna, ye karna, and that house has a strict rule of not using fire. You
can't burn anything inside.
You can't burn anything inside, so we can't even attempt to do a cleansing or anything as such. So we can't even help out the spirits, and so we felt so bad for Elizabeth वहाँ पे, क्योंकि ठीक है बिशप गलत था, one of the witches was bad, the attic में there was succubus, we don't care about them, but Elizabeth was good. There might be other children entities, क्योंकि वो स्पिरिट बॉक्स के टाइम पे जो हम सियानसी रूम में कर रहे थे, हमको बच्चों की आवाजें भी आई थी इन दिस बेड बॉक्स, दे आर क्राइंग. सो बच्चे भी हैं वहाँ पे, वी कुड हैव हेल्प देम इफ देयर वाज अ वे, बट जस्ट वन ट्रिप, लिमिटेड आवर्स. एंड दैट कैसा होता है ना कि समटाइम्स ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ होता है कि एक इंसान अगर 10 साल से एक लो वाइब्रेशनल इमोशन में है, वो बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसको निकालने के लिए. Some people are so, even if they're good people, but they're so negative in their thought process, negative in their actions, and no matter आप कुछ भी बोल दो, बोलेंगे नहीं यार लाइफ में तो कुछ नहीं है, अरे ये कर ले, नहीं यार इसका तो मन नहीं है. So they are good people, but it will take you a lot to bring them out. Same is for the spirits of ancient lands.
God.
And maybe that's why it's still haunted after 900 years.